guys, it's time for another unboxing from Mountain Crest Garden, their Ultimate Succulent Club. It's March 2019. So we have cards for mini blue chalk sticks, C. rupestris, which is a crassula, pink granite, which is a setivaria, and mini me, which is sedum robertinctum. It's a dwarf jelly bean. Surprise this time. I always like surprises. That was my heat pack, and it actually still feels warm. This is the blue chalk sticks, and it's got some of the rubatinctum. The leaves have fallen off, or they put them in there to let them propagate. But the blue chalk sticks, it looks a little worse for wear, but it'll perk up once it's watered. And this is not my first plant of this, but it always loses a lot of leaves for me. You can see they've put a lot in the bottom, or it's lost a lot just in shipping. And then this is the pink granite. And this is Crassula rupestris. Now let's see what the mystery plant is. Ooh, nice. And it's, I can't think of what, something jaws, maybe, is what this is. But 2 cuttings, very nice. So that's 2 new plants that I wasn't expecting. So I have blue chalk sticks, and it's mini blue chalk sticks, C. rupestrans, a Crassula rupestris, which is a stacked crassula. We have pink granite, which is a setivaria. And we have mini me, sedum rubatinctum. And then looks like the pink granite had lost a small piece of a cutting there, and then they sent 2 cuttings of an unknown plant. I don't know what this is, but they'll all perk up once they're out here in some sunlight and some warmth, and add a little water. So thank you for watching this March update on my unboxing from Mountain Crest Gardens. We'll see you the next time on Garden Rudiments.